everyone, it's Josiah from Journeying with Josiah, and today I'm flying on board a Singapore Airlines A330 in economy class from Singapore to Bangkok. Let's see if this flight will be as good as all the other ones I've taken. We are welcomed on board by a kind cabin crew handing out hot towels. Here's a little tour of the seat. There's an entertainment screen with different ports for powering up your devices over here. There's a glasses compartment, a cup holder, and a coat hood. There's 33 inches of pitch, so it's pretty average. The seats also have an average amount of recline. But what's really nice is that there's headrests. This makes the journey much more comfortable. Blankets are available in the overhead bins if you would like one. The flight attendants also pass out kids' kits for kids. This is the one my brother got. It looks pretty interesting. Here's a look at our route. Our A330-300 will take us 891 miles from Singapore to Bangkok over a 2-hour and 25-minute flight duration. An important thing to mention is that this aircraft and all A330s in Singapore Airlines' fleet do not offer Wi-Fi, so make sure to bring your own entertainment or use the in-flight screen. Here's a speed clip of the in-flight entertainment. If you want to see what's in the seat back pocket and a more detailed look at the in-flight entertainment, make sure to look at my review from Bangkok to Singapore. Here's the food. I got chicken. It came with a shrimp salad, ice cream, a drink, butter, cutlery, water, a bread roll, and the main dish. It's chicken with vegetables. It smells very nice. I was satisfied with the meal. It was of average quality but had good taste. I do wish that the ice cream was served after the meal, because by the time I got to it, it was already melted. It's already time to land. The flight went really fast. Let me share my thoughts about this flight. It was overall really comfortable, and I definitely enjoyed it. The crew were really nice, and the food was great. The entertainment options were really good, some of the most vast I've ever seen. While the seat itself was average, I liked that Singapore Airlines added a lot of different compartments. It's the little things that made the flights better. I was also shocked to see that we were served real hot towels. That is a first for an airline economy, and I will definitely not forget that experience. Overall, I would highly recommend Singapore Airlines. It's a really good airline, and I can understand why they won the best airline in the world last year. Well, we've made it to Bangkok and the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and you got some advice for your journeys. If you have any questions, suggestions, or you want advice for your own journey, Please let me know in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. This is Journeying with Josiah. Bye.